This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Steve Owen II. Amazing ocean views from this 3-bed/den/3.5-bath southeast corner unit. 4th floor unit with 2,833 square feet living area with split bedrooms, open floor plan, large eat-in kitchen, separate dining room, wide water views from master and main areas, covered balcony with plenty of space for relaxing or entertaining, private office, turnkey hurricane shutter protection for all openings, accordion shutters to easily close up and protect patio area, all furniture included in unit price, 1-car garage close to entrance/lobby, weather protected hallway to unit, elevator door is adjacent to unit, plus attractive amenities. Very well kept, gated neighborhood. For more information, review the details below or contact Steve Owen II at 772-473-0828.